If you told me this was a luxury penthouse, I'd believe you, but it's not. This is the 2027 Toyota Coaster 8x8, a full-size motorhome built on a serious multi-axle platform, and it looks like it could roll through anything while keeping you in 5-star comfort. Let's start with what hits you first, the presence. Up front, you've got a tall, sculpted cab with a modern, almost futuristic roofline and integrated upper lighting elements. The grille is bold and dark, framing the Toyota emblem like a centerpiece, and those LED headlights, sharp, bright, and angled like a performance truck. Now look down the side. This isn't a single rear axle setup. You've got a multi-axle layout, 4 axles total, 8 wheels, built for stability, load handling, and that confident rail-like feel at speed. The body is clean and minimal, large smooth panels, subtle seams, and a long window band that makes it feel more like a modern lounge than a typical camper. The side entry is positioned like a proper home entrance, complete with a sturdy staircase. That's not a camp ladder, that's a real entry experience, made for daily comfort. In this showroom lighting, the gray glossy paint really shows off its depth. You get soft reflections across the panels and a premium finish that reads high-end, almost automotive concept car level. Alright, this is where the Coaster 8x8 changes the game. The interior theme is white and gray, and the goal is clear, bright, calm, and modern. This looks like a control room, but it's an RV cockpit. The 2027 Toyota Coaster 8x8 interior is built like a premium truck, packed with screens, real buttons, and a clean white and gray vibe that feels shockingly modern. The steering wheel is classic Toyota, thick, comfortable, and packed with controls on both spokes. Behind it, you've got a modern instrument cluster that's easy to read at a glance, speed and RPM on the sides, and the main info centered where it should be. Now let's talk tech, because this dashboard is basically a command center. You've got a central infotainment display with a grid-style interface, and next to it, a wide navigation screen that shows a detailed map view. The best part? The screens are integrated cleanly into the dash. No stuck-on tablet look. And here's something I love: physical controls everywhere. Rows of tactile buttons, dedicated switches, and 3 large climate knobs right in the center. This is the opposite of everything buried in a menu. Moving into the living area, the big side windows do the heavy lifting. They open the space, bring in natural light, and make the white and gray palette feel even larger. The design should be all about smart storage, flush cabinets, hidden compartments, and clean lines that don't clutter the room. And the best part of this color combo? It looks premium on camera. White and gray reads clean, modern, and expensive. Alright, now let's move to one of the most important spaces in any luxury motorhome, the bedroom. And the vibe back here stays consistent. Clean white surfaces, soft gray tones, and a minimalist modern look that feels more like a boutique hotel than an RV. First impression, it's designed to feel bright, calm, and uncluttered. The color palette makes the space look bigger, and the lighting should be soft, no harsh glare, so it actually feels relaxing at night. For the kitchen zone, expect a minimal layout. Bright counters, integrated appliances, and under-cabinet lighting that keeps the vibe upscale at night. Then the lounge, gray seating that balances the white surfaces with a layout designed for both travel days and long stays. Now let's move to the rear, because this is where the Coaster 8x8 looks the most serious. The back end is clean, tall, and sculpted like a modern armored box, but finished in that glossy gray that keeps it premium. Look at the way the rear panel is designed. Big flat surfaces with sharp geometric lines. It's minimal, but it doesn't look plain. It looks engineered. And the lighting back here is pure modern truck DNA. You've got those sleek LED tail lamps sitting low and wide, plus the upper rear marker lights that make the whole vehicle look taller and more premium at night. Now this right here is one of my favorite details, the vertical rear ladder. It's mounted cleanly, centered, and it goes all the way up for roof access. Down low, the bumper is thick and structured, built to match the heavy-duty stance of the 8x8 platform. Everything sits tight, clean-cut lines, integrated sections, and a rear end that looks solid from every angle.